how to crop pictures on iPhone. So if you want to crop out part of picture on iPhone, or you want to remove someone else from a picture on iPhone using the crop picture, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to crop pictures on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Now, once you open the Photos app, locate the photo you want to crop. So just go ahead, locate the photo you want to crop. So let's say the photo I want to crop is this particular photo. Then as you can see, the way this photo was taken, this photo might not be able to crop out this particular person, my wife, or myself out of this. So you want to make sure the photo you want to crop is having a good standing. So let's look out for another photo you want to crop. So let's say this particular photo is a photo I want to crop. So I want to crop all this unwanted part out of the photo. I want to crop out this gate, then crop out my little angel here. So this is what you need to do. Go ahead and click on these three lines. Then once you click on that, you should see crop. Click on the crop button. Then here, use this button to crop out the unwanted part on the photo. Just drag like this. Drag it like this to crop out the unwanted part. And make sure the picture was not cut out. And then once you are done, the picture will adjust itself automatically. Then go ahead and click on the done button. Then you can see we've cropped out the car and then the gate by the side here. However, if this is not exactly what you want, so let's say what you want is you want to change the picture format, maybe the ratio. Then let's go back and revert this, revert to original. Now once reverted, click on these three lines as well. Then go ahead and click on crop. Once you selected crop, just scroll through like this. Here you can see you can change to portrait, to vertical, or use strength. Now one of this, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on this icon, the crop icon. Then you'll see options here where you can use the original, freeform, square, wallpaper, then 9:16 like this. So select the format you want to crop the photo to or the picture to. But I always recommend using freeform, where you'll be able to manually adjust whatever you want to crop out of the photo yourself. And then you should see the photo just like this. And then you are good. Once you are done, go ahead and click on the done button. And then this is going to save the picture cropped. You see that? So that is basically how to crop pictures on iPhone. So you need to repeat this on all the pictures you want to crop. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.